Hello friends, today's our topic tissue part second. First part have done by us. Today we are doing tissue part second. You know, tissue are the groups of the cells which do a special work. Now today we do plants and animal tissue. They are different due to different function done by them. In plant tissue, they have some special function and animal tissue have some special function. There is a difference. The plant tissue have fixed place because plants do not move, and animal tissue have different functions. So today we are doing plant tissue. Plant tissue are of two types. दो प्रकार के होते हैं, two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Plant tissue are of two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are subdivided into three parts: apical, intercalary and lateral. In meristematic, the shape are spherical, oval, polygonal, and the intercircular space in the plants are absent. They have thin walls. The plant tissue have very thin walls. They have single nucleus in the large size in them. The cytoplasma is very dense in the plant tissue. The growth and cell division is its main function. Meristematic tissue give growth and cell division in the plants. The new parts of the roots and stems and leaves are done by the meristematic tissue. Now the second part is permanent tissue. Permanent tissue are subdivided into two types: simple or complex. Simple permanent tissue are such tissue which have same type of cell group. Means in the group all the cells are same. सभी सेल एक जैसी होती हैं, सेम होती हैं. In complex tissue, they have two or more than two type of cells. Complex tissue are two subpart, xylem and phenomena. The plant tissue in permanent shape have fixed shape, special functions, thin cell walls, but they have very thin cell walls. They have no cell divisions. They are of two types, living and dead cells. Some cells are living cell in permanent tissue or some are dead cells. Its functions are guard the plant. They guard the plant and meristematic tissue because they are hard and thin, so they guard the plants. Wastage products are extracted by them. Food storage is also done by these plants. Meristematic tissue only growth and they store the food. It also gave the safety of the plant. So it is called guard tissue. It gives the safety and support to the plant in the different situations when there is atmospheric change, some other motion, atmospheric change, then it guard the plants. So today we have done the plants and dear students, आप लोगों को पता है कि अपना जो चैनल है वो शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में साइंस, मैथ और जीके इंग्लिश आदि में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण और बड़े ही आसान तरीके से टॉपिक आपके सामने क्लियर कर रहा है। आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो रहा है और यही हमारे चैनल का उद्देश्य है। इसलिए आप लोगों ने अधिक से अधिक स्टडी करनी है, सब्सक्राइब करना है चैनल को और आगे की आगे इसको शेयर करना है ताकि